Hi friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another Crock-Pot meal. What today's meal is going to be is chicken tortellini with country gravy. These things are going to be made separate. This is not a dump and go, okay? So I took 2 chicken breasts, okay? I did cut them in half, as you can see inside. This is part of the way done, but you're going to need to cook your chicken breast for 3 hours, okay? Cook your chicken breast for 3 hours, and then here's the second thing you're going to need to make. The country gravy, okay? 2 packs. You're going to get 4 cups altogether. Okay, and then what you're going to need is some tortellini, cheese tortellini. And you're just going to boil that for a few seconds. And what we're going to do is, when the chicken's done, I want big pieces of chicken. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Because I don't want it like slivers. I don't know. It's hard to explain. But anyway, I want big chunks of chicken with my cheese tortellini. Then we are going to mix it all up with the country gravy. This is my plan. Okay, and then if you would like, you can throw in like a cup of vegetables with that. It's okay. It could be frozen, okay? Because all that is still, when we come back and throw everything in here, we're still going to need to cook that for a little bit. Okay, I'll be right back. Friends, I forgot to say hi on 3 hours, okay? Sorry, having problems with the camera. So I took my little doohickey here and I don't want this shredded. I just want him in nice chunks. Okay, where it looks like that. Like nice bites. Okay, I'm going to try to fetch one out so you can see. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Nice bite size, okay? Okay, and then, like I had said earlier, we were going to make some gravy. Two things of country gravy mix. And I am going to pour that right into my crock pot. Sorry, my arm just hit the camera. Hopefully nobody gets like motion sickness. I really love gravy. Do you like gravy? And what is your favorite gravy? And just mix that up just a little bit. Okay, and then we got some cheese tortellini. This too I boiled just for like, I gotta say like 2 minutes. We're gonna pour that in here too. I know this is a bit different, but I like different stuff. Okay, then we're going to go throw in 1 cup of mixed vegetables. We need some color. And we need some vegetables, actually. So I'm going to grab a different spoon. Something that will grab that food and turn it around. See, there, that color looks good in there. It needed some color. Okay, and then what we're going to do, I have got some cheddar jack. You know, just measure with your heart. We're going to put that on there. And that looks pretty good. I did not use the entire bag, but I used some. Let me kind of throw that to the sides. Give the sides some love there. We're going to put the lid back onto our crock pot. You know, I am just moving that camera all over the place this evening. I hope no one's getting like seasick. Okay, so we're going to continue to Cook this just a little bit more. Turn it on low. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. You be the judge. We just want this all to be nice and hot together. We want that cheese to be melted. Everything is basically done. So that cheese it really needs to get melted. Okay, so I'll see you in 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, friends. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we are going to scoop out oh, and this is hot. Okay. So we got the cheese. We have those nice big bites of chicken. We have the tortellini. We have a few vegetables in there. And this turned out really great. I like it, and I will be making this again. This just was something that I thought, well, let's just do this. Let's just mix these ingredients together. And the ingredients are not too shabby. I'm impressed. Okay, you could also serve this with any kind of vegetable that you like. That, you can throw that in there. You can serve this with toasted butter, some flaky biscuits, any kind of bread that you would like. So, friends, thank you for being with me this evening. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. Love you guys.